The other thing is when we do Salesforce training, for example, when I come in, what I normally do is I do all of this. I deliver the training, and then normally I leave because I just sort of come in big projects. I help the business get running, and then it sort of goes to the normal business team, like you guys. You will be sitting in, at big companies. You might say, okay, can you come in for a while, help us do the training, and then I go, and you are left with what to do. And so it's important as a training that we hand over to you properly, but also that you guys understand, okay, what are we going to do ongoing? Because just training people once, it doesn't stop there. Yeah, especially with big things, with big launches, a lot of effort is often put at the training before what we call a go live date. So before we start using Salesforce, and then nothing happens. And how are you going to make sure that people keep up to date with Salesforce? Because so much changes on an ongoing basis. So it's important that we embed that in our plan. Like, what's our long-term plan? What is our strategy as a team? How can I make sure that whenever we do things, we keep that learning up and we keep the same standards? Yeah. If we have chosen one bit somewhere, how can we keep doing that